Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if we look at this chart, what we can see, and I have already told you in my previous video, that the crude price was continuously in uptrend and chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 77. Okay, and it has touched that level which was high because it was a 5-year high, that it has touched this level, and from there profit booking has come. And if you check my previous video, you will know that I've been telling a buy since 68. Okay, and I've always suggested that trader should always follow a price action strategy because this will help with a proper stop loss. Okay, and one more suggestion: suppose you are making $100 in a day. Okay, you made $100 in a day. Once this comes down to $80, then exit the trade. Suppose somebody is making, he made $1,000 profit a day, and once it comes down to $800, please exit the trade for the day, or then you trade for the next day. Suppose if you made a loss of $100, then please exit the day for today, and then do it another day. Okay, and the next day. So this is how you can manage your risk. Risk management is very important when you trade, and for investing purpose I always suggest buying at a dip is always good, but with the proper stop loss. And because if you look at the price of crude, silver and gold in 2011 is so high, now it has not reached up to that level. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is working. And please, if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. And if you wish to, and you can press the bell icon so that you see the notification of my video. See, look at this trend. After making a high, it came down and made a low of around 65. Okay, so now after 65 it is moving continuously in uptrend. Okay, so this uptrend, what we can see, that after this range, if you look at this is the particular range. The price of crude was there since 22nd July to 28th of July. Now the crude price is trying to go high. Okay, suppose if sustain this level of 73.62, then chances will be very high that it can bounce back from this level and can touch a level of 73.92. And once 73.92 is touched, chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 74.22. 74.22 is a crucial resistance, so possibility is there that it can touch a level of 74.40, and from there it can touch a level of 74.60. Okay, and from there chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 74.72. Okay, and 74.72 is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 74.90, and from there it can touch a level of 75.12. And once 75.12 is touched, then chances will be very high it can touch a level of 75.37, and from there it can touch a level of 75.49. If you look at this chart, 75.43 is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 76.22, and then we can see it can go further high to a level of 76.84. okay, and then we can see a new level, new high of around 76.94, and possibility is there that it can bounce back from this level, or it can go further high to a level of 77.5 or 78. But suppose if it break this level of 77.62, chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 73.33, and from there it can touch a level of 72.58. And once 72.58 is touched, then chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 72. Okay, once 72 is touched, then probability is there, if it didn't sustain this level, then it can come to a level of 71.18. okay, and this range, this particular range, once the price of crude break this particular range, then we can see further low of around 70.43. so what I would suggest, that if this range breaks a level of 71, then chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 70.49, and once 70.49 is touched, then probability is there. If it goes more below that level, then we can see a level of 69.85, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 69.33 and then 68.31. okay, so what I would suggest that now the particular range is this. So if it goes below a level of 73.62, then chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 73.28 also, and from there it can touch a level of 72.56, and this is the range. Once this range breaks upside or downside, we can see further movement in the price of crude. Okay, so the range is around 72.39 and from a range of 71.10. so 170.10 is, if it cross downside, then we can see further low of around 70.50, and from there we can see a level of 69.33 also. Okay, so as of now we can see a trend is an upside. Okay, but a trend is an upside till the time it didn't cross a level of 72.51. okay, so hope you like the video, and overall if we look, the trend is in this particular form, so it will hit the resistance upside till the time it didn't cross this level. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.